this tutorial, we'll walk you through setting up Jupyter Notebook within Visual Studio Code and how to create our first notebook. This process takes just a couple of minutes. First, launch Visual Studio Code on your computer. Open the Extensions view by clicking on the extension icon on the left-hand side, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. Type Python in the search bar. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. If not, install it from your browser. Once Python is installed, click on the Install button next to the Python extension. Next, type Jupyter in the search bar. Install the official Jupyter extension provided by Microsoft. Once the Jupyter extension is installed, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. Type Jupyter in the command palette and select Jupyter Create New Jupyter Notebook. You'll be prompted to choose a kernel. Select your preferred Python version. Your new notebook will now open with an option to add cells. By default, the cell is in Python mode. You can also switch to Markdown for adding formatted text. To run your code, type a simple Python command, like print hello world, and click the play button to execute it. The output should be displayed directly below the cell. Once you're done, save your notebook by clicking File and then Save As. Choose your preferred location. To reopen the notebook, go to File, then Open File. Navigate to your saved notebook and it will open in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.